Hey, you are still here, okay? You're here because you want to make a new future for yourself. You want to make a new future for your family. You want to create that legacy that is going to be able to be passed down 2 generations, okay? 45-day money-back guarantee. Let's just let that sink in. What do you have to lose? Nothing. You have nothing to lose. If you go to any franchise company and ask them, what are you going to guarantee me in 30, 45, 60, 120 days? I want to see your guarantee in writing. They're going to tell you, sorry, we don't offer guarantees. And that's the problem. I'm so confident in the modules and the systems that I've put together for you that I'm going to offer a 45-day money-back guarantee because I know it works. How do I know it works? 25 years of experience I've put into this. And that 25 years of experience, it has launched me to a multi-million-dollar national janitorial company. So I know it works because I've created it. I've worked the systems. I've gone through the processes. So it does work. I'm one that's telling you it does because I'm the owner of one, okay? The cost that we're putting on this 12-step system that will launch you in 45 days, you're probably going to spend the same amount on a night out with your significant other, okay? If you go over to the franchise side, you're not only committing legally when you sign, but you're committing financially, which is thousands upon thousands of dollars. For what? What are they going to give you? What are they going to guarantee you? You can't get out of that. Once you sign, you're in, regardless of your situations. You are in. You come on board with us and you learn the systems. In 45 days, if you're not happy, you're out and you get your money back. Okay, that's how confident I am in this system. So you're at the right place, you're at the right time. Click through, get the course, and I promise you that you will enjoy every single step of the venture. And I will be there with you. There are videos that I have put together on every single module. So commit right now. Commit for you, commit for your future, commit for your legacy. And I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers to success.